Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. So the quickest option is to slide down the upper bar and then find and pick night mode by tapping on the icon. So this is how it works. Now we are in night mode. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping on the icon. But if you will not have the shortcut over here, simply open the list of all apps and then go to the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick display, and here under sleep you will notice night mode. So if you want to activate it, tap on this switcher, and from now on it's active, so you can protect your eyes, you can read some documents or watch something if you want to in this mode, and then you can obviously switch it off by tapping on the same switcher as in the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can enable and disable night mode in your VERNEE Thor Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.